Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's session, we are going to see about introduction to AutoCAD. So first, I have been opened over here AutoCAD. After the installing this AutoCAD, what I have done is I have double tapped on this AutoCAD icon. So it will open a complete like this AutoCAD file. So before going into the AutoCAD, we will see some definitions and what are the uses of AutoCAD and all those things. So here first I have written the definition for your AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a commercial computer aided design and drafting software. It is developed by a company called Autodesk. Hence, based on that only they have been kept the name called as AutoCAD. So here for what purpose it is going to be used is to draw and to edit more quickly than your hand. Whatever we are going to draw any building plans or any of the automobile designs and all those things, if you are going to draw with the help of hand, to what I'll call, if you want to modify that one or edit that one, it is more complex during that course. So here we can do that more easily. For that purpose we are using our AutoCAD. So if you are using AutoCAD, for what purpose to be used is to increase the productivity of the designer and improve the quality of the design, improve your communication through documentation, create database for manufacturing. It is not only used by your civil engineering people or architect people, it has been going to be used by automobile people, shipping, buildings, aerospace, industrial, and many more peoples. They are going to use this AutoCAD. So here, before starting with any of the things in AutoCAD, first I will go with the interface. So here, whatever they seeing after the double tapping on your icon, this type of page is going to be open for your AutoCAD. So it has been listed in three columns. The first column is getting started, second column is recent documents, and third one is your for notification. So here in notification we'll see here it has been shown the offline. So it means if you are connected with an internet facility, if you want any further notification, means you please go and hit on this one. So if there any of the application is updated version, then definitely you are going to get that updated version. And one more thing is there, connect. So if I have been not connected with what we call internet facility and I was not able to see uh, any of the AutoCAD connected sign in over here, so I have not done anything else. So this is recent documents. If you have been worked with respect to the past AutoCAD files, means so it is going to show you all the things here. And at the last you are going to see the small three icons. See here you are going to see the three icons. It is nothing but your how you want just like a list wise, or how you want this AutoCAD file to be viewed for you people. You can go through those things. It is going to show you the list and details of AutoCAD when I have been worked, timing, everything it is going to give you. That is the purpose of this last three dots. And coming for your this right left hand side, the first one is, if I hit on this start drawing, it will open my AutoCAD file completely new. So before going that one, we are going to see here some of the names they have been listed over here. The first one is, before going for these names, they have been listed here. First, template. So template is different types of templates are there. If you want to work with according to that template, means if you can select with those things. So I won't do anything for this case because it is by default it is saved as ACAD so I was keeping as it is. If you want, you can go with respect to any of the architectural or civil, imperial, manufacturing, whatever the things. If you want, you can go through those templates. So I was not going to select other templates. I was keeping as it is DWT ACAD file. And here there are four names are there. One is open files. If you have if you are first time, if you are AutoCAD installed, if you are working for the first time, means you are not going to see any of the recent documents. If I want to work with if I want to open this drawing number one, then just double tap on this drawing number one, it is going to open your AutoCAD file. So here I was for the first time, if you are using this AutoCAD, means you are not going to see any recent documents. or then it is not going to be work, because open file means here around 10 to 12 drawings they have been saved, showing for your recent documents. So if out of this 10 also this is not there means, then what I will do is I will go with respect to if I saved with respect to the new documents means, then definitely what I will do, I'll open that one. If I worked previously but still it is not showing over here, then what I will do, with the help of open file, I was going to view that one. How it is going to be work? See here, when I hit on this one, a small pop-up will open on your screen, so I can select where my file is located, the previous version, right? So I have been kept all the documents files in the case of what I'll call D drive. Under this I have kept a building plans, so I got many more are there, right? So if I open these files under finished, also many more are there. If you can go through those things, you just hit on that one and you can access that one. If I want to open this Prakash final, just I will click this one and I will hit on open, so that definitely it is going to be open your file, right? So next one is open a sheet set. That is nothing but if I created any sheet sets, then it is going to be work over here. I will show you what is this sheet sets. See here, it is nothing but just like a small folder for you people. How it is your first folder. Under this first folder, first one your plan is there, so it will show you plan, right? Your plan it will show. And second, if you are done with respect to the any sanitary drawing you have kept, so it will show you the sanitary drawing. If you are keeping third one, it is going to keep all the folders separate in one document itself. It is going to create, if you got a huge number of plan or very large length of your planning drawings are there means, then you can go with respect to your sheet sets. Okay, if you want more different templates also, you can go through the online and you can download it over here. Explore the sample files are there. So if you want to explore any of the sample files, then you go and you need to select. If you are if you want to add those things, then you need to select that one and you need to open that one. It is going to be open over here. So what I will do is I'll just hit on my start drawing. So what it is going to, it will take into the AutoCAD file, right? So before starting any of the things here, we should know each and everything what we are going to call each names, right? So for this case, for your easy purpose, what I have done, I have made a small figure over here to understand you more easily. The first one at the top corner you are seeing that one A, and one small drop down you are seeing over here. See here, this we are going to say it as a drop down. So it is going to drop it and everything it is going to be shown. For that was we are calling it drop down. So here A is nothing but your, I have been listed and I have been given a name over here, application menu. This we are going to call it as a application menu. Whatever you are seeing on the top line means this line. So we are going to call it as a quick access toolbar. Why we are saying the quick access toolbar is, see whatever they have been shown over here, create a new file, save new file, open file, okay, save as, print, undo, rendo, they whatever they have been redo they have been given, right? These all the things you can see inside your application files also. See name, open, save as, export, print, everything whatever is there you can see this one. Because of that reason only they have been calling this as a quick access toolbar. This one whatever you are seeing the topmost line, second topmost line, and that is your home, insert, annotate, this whatever you are going to see, that we are going to call it as a menu bar, right? That we are going to call it as a menu bar or your ribbon tab, right? And one more thing, they have been given, whatever you are seeing this first box, that we are going to call it as a draw toolbar, and for second box we are going to call it as a modifying toolbar. The third one is annotation toolbar, fourth one layer properties toolbar, and these three things whatever you are seeing by layer we are going to call it as what, your property toolbar. and I have been written a name also here, property toolbar. So if you are going to get confused, because of that reason only I have been taken individual name. So this is your layer property toolbar. This is complete whatever you are seeing. This is your layer property toolbar. Modifying toolbar also I have been written a name over here to understand the people more easily, right? And one more is there, whatever this black screen you are seeing completely, that we are going to call it as a drawing area, graphic area, or modify the working area. Any three thing, any of the three names you can choose, or you can say this one. Working area also it is fine, drawing area is also fine, graphic area is also fine, right? At the bottom of your left hand side you are seeing a x and y axis. That one we are going to call it as a UCS. That is nothing but your user coordinate system, right? So here it is showing only x and y plane because we are working with respect to 2D AutoCAD. For that reason we are not seeing the z axis. If you want to see the z axis, then you need to go with respect to the 3D AutoCAD. And here you are seeing the east, west, north, south, and this one we are going to call it as a view cube, right? And one more it is there on your right hand side, you are seeing that one we are going to call it as a navigation bar, right? So here at the bottom whatever they have been listed, this we are going to call it as a status bar, and here they have been mentioned a command box, okay? And this is your layout tab, and this is number of files you are working. So this we are going to call it as a file tabs. See here, these file tabs can be added by hitting on a small plus mark. It will start increasing one after the other. How many number of files you can work? You can work n number of files over there, okay? So this is about your small introduction with respect to your AutoCAD. And whatever you are seeing on my screen, the paper size of this screen is infinite in length. That's what I have written over here. You can check out here. See here I have been written over here, paper size is infinite in length, either in x-axis or in y-axis. It is infinite in length. That's why I have been given over here is a paper size, okay? See here, this is your paper size, whatever black screen, and you are seeing a one mouse cursor that is of a shape like this, right? How you are seeing my mouse cursor like this, along with a small center box. This box we are going to call it as what? Pickup box. PICK box, okay? And this whatever two lines x and y plane lines you are seeing, that one we are going to call it as a crosshair, okay? So this is about your small introduction I have been given over here. So we will see each menu bar and each toolbar we are going to learn in next videos. Thank you. If you got any doubts, please comment me in the comment section, then definitely I will help you out, or you can mail me. Thank you.